how to change the little small side light at the bottom. This is on the inside of the car, that's the outside of the car. So it's on this side, it's the bottom of the two. So you don't need to remove your headlight to do this. I've just done it easy to film. So in the back here, you can see there's electrics that were attached there. I've removed that. You don't need to do that, but lift this tab up. Peel away the back. And you can see the small dip beam, or small bulb right in the corner there. And all you do is pull it out. Just pull straight out. So it's a wedge shape. Get your new one. Push back in. Put the tabs at the bottom here. On this side, that way. And clip in. And you're done.